there was not much in there. Big job going on today. So we're changing on front and diff fluid. And the funny thing about this is I have no clue when the last time it's been done. I'm choosing to use Mobile 1 7590. I don't tow too much with this. There's fully synthetic that you want. And you want to make sure it's got that LS limited slip additive in it as well. Apparently the back takes 4 quarts. I got that, and I got 2 quarts for the front as well. This was put on, and then it looks like somebody tried to spray it with Rhino liner. So I'm guessing it was done probably about 190,000 miles, 180,000 miles, a little bit before I got it. But yeah, it's been quite a while since then. So let's see what this inside of this looks like. So one thing, if I've learned anything working on this old rusty pig for 3 years, 4 years now almost, if you got bolts like this, you're gonna want to clean them up. So now that that's out of the way, go ahead, and this is a 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter is going to get you pretty much good on any of these bolts. Be really careful, because of course you do not want to strip this. I like to get everything on this loose by hand, and then from that point use a power tool or something. Go kind of halfway and around the top first, and then do the bottom ones after, once you got that drain pan down there. So we already got a little bit of diff oil leaking out. Might be a good sign. Might be saying like it's still free, it's not all gummed up, but so I had that towel down there. We're gonna go ahead and get our oil pen underneath and knock all these bolts out. Yeah, I was actually just going to call you. Pick up high temp black spray paint, please. Got that? Next up, we're just gonna take this big screwdriver here, find to get it some way that we can get it in, hammer a little bit, and pop the case off. Look at that, it flows right out. Oh, gotta open the bleeder on there, make it drain faster. So this gear oil, I mean, doesn't look terrible, and luckily I'm not seeing any metal shavings. It's not super black, just darker. Still pretty viscous to it. Just a little bit of stick for that LS limited slip. Otherwise, I don't think it's too bad, at least not yet. There she is. So now we're gonna get all this cleaned up. But I want to take a moment first and see what we're messing with here. So gasket luckily kept out a lot of the stuff. There's no rust in it. I mean, all in all, aside from little rust flakes I got in from when I took it off, I'm just gonna go ahead and brake clean all that out. She doesn't look too bad. Pretty decent condition still. Looks like maybe, I mean, I don't know. I haven't popped open too many of these, but like, she's still looking peachy clean.
Alright, before we go any further with this, just gonna clean it up after. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the back side of it and get it cleaned.
Get some bolts in. You're either gonna want to put some RTV on these or just reline with the RTV that was already on there. I'm not putting any in right now because I quite frankly want to get new bolts, but I'm gonna set the drill to a torque setting and just go to there for now. Alright, so now the last step here in the back is gonna be taking this fill plug out and then just basically filling it up till she comes out. He's a cool dog. I don't know. So since we're doing the back, might as well do the front as well. This one I'm a little bit more worried about. I don't know if this one's ever been done, but that's what we're here to find out, I guess. Oh, there was not much in there. Yeah, this hasn't been done in a long time. All right, now I just wanted to take a quick second to show you guys. This is the drain plug in the front. Those are all metal shavings, and yeah, the fluid's pretty gross. So my guess is this hasn't been done in a long time, and the front transfer case is just a little torqued right now. So you can tell these are full when you'll kind of see the level get to the top. It'll be about 4 quarts in, and it'll start leaking out the bottom. So at that point, go ahead and pull the nozzle out. Get that in a towel so you don't spill everywhere. It's spilling out. How did you? Stick your bolt back in. Tighten up that bolt, and you are done with the rear. So we are completely drained. Also found out that this front end is fried. Obviously hasn't had any new fluid in it for a while. I don't want to put this too tight. Should be good. Should be good right there. It's a plastic washer. So we're just gonna put the 2 quarts in. Might make a difference. Who knows? I'm just surprised I still have 4-wheel drive after those metal shavings that we just pulled out of there. Alright folks, so now the front is done. Just like the rear, just wait for it to kind of start dripping out a little bit, and then you know it's full. It should be about 2 quarts. It's pretty apparent that general maintenance will probably save the life of some parts on your truck. Like, we saw that front end, and that oil was gross. The drain plug that came out was gross and everything. So if you like what you saw, go ahead, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you eventually.